Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Ethan Houston.
Temperatures rose into the lower to mid 70s today. We'll do it again tomorrow and also into Wednesday. So it's feeling more like mid-May than mid-March out there. Now we will add some showers and thunderstorms to the mix by the time we head into Wednesday. And there is a low chance some of those storms could be strong to severe Wednesday evening and early Wednesday night. A cold front moves on by, and this will drop temperatures back down closer to seasonal averages to end the week. That means highs closer to 50 degrees, but 50 degrees is going to be much warmer than what you should expect for early parts of the following week. Outside right now, it is clear. It's comfortable out there for March, still 56 degrees right now in the Red Rose City with just a gentle breeze out of the east. Since we have clear skies, all is clear on Live Local 8 radar and the Storm Team Live radar network, and it's going to stay that way through the night and for most of the valley tomorrow. So mostly clear skies. By the time we get closer to dawn, a few clouds start sneaking back into the valley. Temperatures will warm quickly because the air is dry. Tomorrow will be in the 50s by the time we make it to mid-morning, and then we'll top off in the mid to upper 70s. And there is a slim chance we could see some isolated showers, but chances are quite low, but not too far away from the record high. I'm forecasting 76. The record high is 79. We'll be even closer to the record on Wednesday with a forecast high of 74 degrees. But be prepared to dodge the raindrops, and that rainfall could be heavy at times, and we could see some isolated strong severe thunderstorms Wednesday evening, and a few showers may linger on into early on Thursday. Scale of 1 to 5, it's a level 2 out of 5, what we call a slight risk from Gettysburg to Harrisburg and points to the west. A lower chance for severe weather the farther you go to the east. What we have to watch out for is as we go into the evening hours, we have the opportunity for some decent downpours and possibly some thunderstorms that could produce some strong gusty winds. We should start to see the chances for the severe weather shut down after midnight. Made it to 71 for our high today, so celebrate. It is the first 70-degree day. We are back to the 70s as we show you the disco ball in the background. Our average first 70-degree day of the year is usually around March 20th, but it's happened as early as January 11th back in 1975. This was the first 70-degree day out at HIA since October 21st. 59 right now in Elizabethtown. It's 51 if you're joining us from Ephrata, and 47 currently in Shippensburg. We'll zoom way out. You can see that warmth extends well off to our west. Still 61 at this hour in Denver. It's closer to Seattle where we find that incoming storm, but it's going to tap into all that warmth building across the heartland, the Ohio River Valley. So there is a threat for strong thunderstorms across the Great Plains tomorrow and then the Ohio River Valley as we go on into Wednesday. And we're going to be on the far eastern edge of that severe weather threat for Wednesday evening. So watch what happens here on the predictor. Notice just a few clouds at times tomorrow morning. We'll have more cloud cover as we head through tomorrow afternoon and just a slim chance of an isolated shower. Again, most of the valley should stay dry. On Wednesday morning, there could be some showers over western Pennsylvania. I think around lunchtime is when we could see some spotty showers move into the valley. And the best chance for severe weather for Wednesday is going to be out towards Pittsburgh, towards Johnstown. We're just going to have to watch and wait and see if we see a line of thunderstorms develop. But if it does so, it's likely going to be moving in along with this cold front after sunset. So the severe weather threat will drop as this front moves on by. But here comes that colder air, and that's going to be around by the time we head into Thursday. So we go from the 70s to back into the 40s by Thursday afternoon. We'll level out around 50 degrees for the weekend. Could see some spotty showers for your Friday and Saturday. Better chances for scattered showers return to the valley for Sunday and Monday. And then look at that cool down for next week. We're talking highs in the 30s again by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week.
All right, Ethan.